Hi students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Sri Academy online classes. My name is Pramod Kumar. Today we will discuss lesson 9 array exercise. So let's start this video. Before starting the exercise, know about pointed class. Each variable used in program is allocated one storage location in the computer memory and holds one value at a time. Means each variable used in a program is located one storage location in the computer memory and hold one value at a time. This variable hold one value at a time. Second point, a variable with one value in parenthesis is called the subscripted variable. Means when you are write any variable within the small bracket or parenthesis is called the subscripted variable. Next point, an array is a structured variable that is used for storing many individual values that are of same type. An array is a structured variable that is used for storing many individual values. Means many individual values, same types of value that are the same type. Next, the array is declared with the use of dim statement that reverses the memory space for any array of any desired size. Means the array is declared with use the dim. Means when you are declare any array, then you can use keyword dim, D-I-M, statement that reverses the memory space for array of any desired size. Next one is in one-dimensional array, the data values are stored in a linear form. In a one-dimensional array, the data values are stored in a linear form. Next, after that, the fill in the blanks. Question first, the declaration of array in QB64 is done through dash command. The declaration of array in QB64 is done through DIM command, means dim command. You fill here DIM command. Question number second, and dash is a structured variable that is used for storing many individuals values that are the same type. It's called array. You fill here array. Question number 3, the dash hold one value at a time. You fill variable. The variable holds one value at a time. Question number 4, in dash array, the data values are stored in a linear form. In one-dimensional, you fill here one-dimensional array, the data values are stored in a linear form. Question number 5, each data items in array is referred as an dash. Each data items in array is referred to as an element. You fill here element. Next, multiple choice questions. Question first, each dash used in program is allocated one storage location in computer memory. Option A variable, option B array, option C constant. Correct option is variable. Each variable used in program is allocated one storage location in the computer memory. Question number 2, a variable with one value in parenthesis is called dash variable. Option A superscript, option B subscripted, option B scripted. Correct option B subscripted, means a variable with one value in parenthesis is called subscripted variable. Question number 3, in one-dimensional array, the data values are stored in dash form. Option A parallel, option B linear, option C diagonal. The correct option B linear. In one-dimensional array, the data values are stored in a linear form. Question number 4, each data items in array is reflected. Each data item in array is referred to as an element which is given a dash storage location. Option A unique, option B same, option C unknown. The correct option B unique. Each data items in array is referred to as an element which is given a unique storage location. After that, identify the errors and select the correct answer. Question number first, dim double dot comma 1 to 7. Here the option for j equal to 1 to 100 print $. Correct option is dim number bracket 1 to 7. This is the correct. This is identify the error here. Dim number bracket 1 to 7. Then you write correct option this. Question number 2. Let a equal to 1 to 10. Here given the option, but correct option is let a equal to 1 to 10. Not use a bracket. Each and every student write a question and after that you write the correct error. This one. Do not write the option. Question number 3. For j equal to 100. Question number 3. For j equal to 100. Correct option is for j equal to 1 to 100. For j is equal to 1 to 100 because you use for loop, and in a for loop give the initial value and final value. So use for j equal to 1 to 100. Question number 4. D150. D150 error in this program. Correct option is dim a bracket 50 because dim is used to represent the array. Through dim you can you represent array, you create array. So here the given array name, not a number. So correct option is dim a bracket 50. Question number 5. Print $, bracket double dot comma 50. Correct option print $, only, not give a sign value. So correct option print $. Hopefully all students understand exercise or this video. If you face any problem, call me through WhatsApp or contact my number. Thank you.